Hey, it's Chris Fuller from Pioneer RESA. So I was clicking around in Meta AI and playing around, trying some different models out, and saw they added a new experimental feature in there called Segment Anything version 2. We're gonna hop in there. It's gonna walk you through a tutorial, but I already grabbed a video, so off some Creative Commons licenses there to use. Again, you do want to be careful who's in your video and what you're uploading in there, because Meta is going to hold on to that to kind of train their AI. So real simple, we want to track the balls that he's juggling. So I'm going to go ahead and select each of the juggling balls as individual objects here. So click one, let's add another object, and you get up to 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and we just get kind of lucky and we luck out. We've got 3 in there. We hit track objects, and almost in real time, it's going through the video and tracking the objects here. And you have the option to then go in and clean up the mask, is what it's called. It's putting a mask around it. We can go in and clean that up. So if you notice right here in the middle, we lose the mask on the ball, this black and orange. So I find that's object 3, I click add, and I go ahead and add that ball back in there. Let's track again. Again, it's moving through super quick, tracking that object, and we'll be able to go clean up, because I noticed the red and white one missed some tracking as well. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up these masks, and I'll catch you back in a second. So now I've gone in and finished up cleaning up, adding some keyframes in there just by clicking the object when the mask disappears. So we're kind of training that AI what to look for through here. We hit next. And now we can replace those objects with something. So right now it's just the overlay, so it's showing that mask, but maybe I want to put an emoji in there. So I can drop in, they have 6 different options in there, 3 different emojis. We could pixelate them and blur them out. We could add a gradient in there. Maybe you want to do some green screen work in here, so grabbing a solid color overlay and then masking those out later. I kind of like the emojis. They're just kind of fun. And with the background as well, I can completely erase the background. So you have lots of different options coming in here, lots of fun, and just something to kind of play around with.